Welcome, guys. Today, I'm outside right now. I'm doing my intro, but as you know, while I'm outside, my family comes out to smoke. My grandpa's the first one, and there's sirens in the background. There is smoke inside in the sky, as you can see, and there's a truck passing. You see that? You see that right there? As you see, it was like a big cloud of smokes. It was a big cloud, like the biggest cloud going through that line right there. That was going through there. So, as I know, I don't have any information about that, but I know it's a northwest something. I'm not gonna tell. Northwest. There we go. That's what I said. I saw this police pass by. Yeah, it's a pretty big fire, as I could see. Yeah, the sirens in the background. Guys, the sirens in the background right now. 30. How y'all doing? Right. I'm gonna go walk in the ground. In the ground. Walking in the ground. One looking past the yard. I can't see the front. But here is Blue, the most amazing dog. Let's go to his cage. I can't fit in this thing. But I'm in here. Blue, you're cool. Let me just. I'm very distracted. Oh, hey, Blue. It's not much going on. Mosquito, so that. It's better video, better quality. Some of my videos don't have to be stopping, of course, but Sierra, try that. And that's my most favorite part. Buick. Look at this. And I'm outside. I have to go inside. Mom's car. So my mom goes to grandma's. I saw a big fucking fire on the TV screen. So if you're going to end, I'm going to end this video. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's just going to be a short, quick video of what I saw outside. So guys, I hope you enjoy. If you like, subscribe to notification bell. As always, I'll be posting videos daily or 2 days. I decide what videos I post. I decide which day I post them. If it's a good day or a bad day, I choose. I decide. So guys, I hope you enjoy. So like I said, notification bell as always. See you next time.